Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
What you see behind me is the Rafale fighter jet that has been operationally inducted into the Indian Air Force here at the Ambala Air Station today. The Rafale fighter jets are the first foreign induction in the Indian Air Force in 23 years. These fighter aircraft, as the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh mentioned, are game changers in this region.
सीमाओं पर जिस तरह का माहौल हाल के दिनों में बना है, या मैं सीधा कहूं कि बनाया गया है, उनके लिहाज से यह इंडक्शन बहुत ही अहम है.
The aircraft that you see behind me is RB-001. The RB initial stands for the Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal RKS Bhaduria. These are the twin-seater aircrafts, and the single-seater aircraft have the initials of BS. BS stands for the former Air Force Chief, that is Air Chief Marshal BS Dhanua, who is now retired. Remember that these fighter aircraft are the most potent aircraft in this region, primarily so because these aircraft come with the latest weaponry. For example, one of the main weapons on board these aircraft is the Meteor air-to-air, costing about rupees 20 crore each. These missiles have a range of about 150 kilometers. This means that these Rafale fighter jets can hit targets in air at around 150 kilometers without even crossing the Indian airspace. That's how potent these aircraft are. Another missile that is on board is the nearly rupees 40 crore Scalp surface-to-air cruise missile. Now this missile has a range of 600 kilometers, which means that the Indian Air Force can hit targets at 600 kilometers away without even crossing the Indian airspace. As you can see now, these aircraft are being towed away. 5 fighter aircraft have arrived in India, and by October another 4 are slated to come. In total, India had ordered for 36 Rafale fighter jets at a cost of about 59,000 crores. Interestingly, the Indian Rafale fighter jets would be the most potent ever to be made in this world, because these aircraft will eventually come with 13 India-specific enhancements, and those enhancements include Israeli helmet-mounted display, as well as the ability to start from high altitude and cold areas like the Leh in Ladakh. For the print, this is Snesh Alex Philip with video journalist Praveen Jain here at the Ambala Air Station of the Indian Air Force.